In today's video, we will see how we can create passport size photographs in MS Word or Microsoft Word. These photographs will be created very easily with different color backgrounds. Even in one page, you can create various backgrounds, means various color backgrounds. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. On the left hand side, we have got a photograph of which we are going to create passport size photographs. The background of photograph is neither white nor blank. On the right hand side, we have created passport size photographs with white background, blue background, red background and black background. We will be creating these passport size photographs in MS Word. Let's start creating our passport size photographs now. We will open a MS Word file. I have opened a new MS Word file. But before that, we will be going to Google. Over here, we will type cutout.pro. We will select this and will open this site. This site is totally free, but you will have to sign up over here. On the top, we can see product. We will get our mouse over here and we get many options. On the top, we have got option of image background remover. We will click over here. And we got the option of upload image. We will click and will upload our image. Upload image. We will select our image and will click on open. Our image is getting uploaded. When we come down, on the left hand side, we can see our original image. And on the right hand side, the background of image got removed. Here we get option of free download. We will click over here. And our image got downloaded. I'll show you how it looks. So this is our image without any background. But we lost the sharpness of the picture. We will go to our site once again, cutout.pro. We will go to product and on the right hand side, we get the option of photo enhancer, sharpener and upscaler. We will click over here and will upload our image without background. We will come down and on the right hand side, we have got sharp quality of the picture. We will download it, free download. Now we will open the picture and this is our picture with better quality. We will go to our MS Word file. Over here, we will have to go to layout and we'll go to margins. We'll select the margin as narrow. Now we will go to insert, pictures, picture from file and we'll select our picture. Insert. We'll go to crop and we'll crop our picture as per requirement. We will click on our picture and now it's time to resize the picture. The passport size picture should be 1.5 inches into 1.2 inches. As soon as we will click on the picture, a new tab will open of picture format. On the right hand side, we get the option of height and width. We will make the height as 1.5 or let's crop picture little bit more. Now we will click on the picture and will adjust the size. Height will be 1.5. As soon as we adjusted the height, the width got adjusted automatically. Now we will right click on the picture and we get various options. We will go to wrap text and will select in front of text. I'll make size of the page little bit bigger. Now we will right click on the picture and in the bottom we get the option of format picture. We will click over here. We get various options over here. On the extreme right hand side we get the option of picture. We will click over here. Picture corrections. We will increase the sharpness little bit more. Now we will go to picture color. I'll click over here and from here, if we want our picture in yellowish, we will have to go to right side. And if we want our picture in little bit cool mode, means little bit bluish, we will have to come to left hand side. I think this color is perfect now. I'll close this. I'll click on the picture and we'll come to the center. From here, we will give it an outline. Black. We'll click over here once again on the drop down and we'll increase the weight. We'll select 6 point. Perfect. Now we will press Ctrl and we'll drag the picture. We'll make 4 copies or 5 copies of this. Perfect. Now we will press Shift and we'll select all the pictures. We'll right click the mouse. Over here we get the option of group. We will select group. And it got converted in a single picture. We will take this little bit right. We'll press Ctrl once again and we'll drag it down so that more copies will be created. We will take this little bit left. We'll press Ctrl once again and we'll drag it down. Perfect. I'll reduce size of the page. We'll press Ctrl and we'll drag it down so that one more copy will be created. We'll take this little bit left. Now we will change background of the pictures. We'll go to Insert, Shapes, and from here we will select Rectangle. We'll click over here. First row we will leave as white. We will come to the second. We'll drag it down and we'll drag it to right hand side. Perfect. We will press Ctrl and we'll create a copy. We will adjust it. We will make the page little bit smaller. We'll press Ctrl and we'll create two more copies. First shape, we will keep the color as blue. Second one, we will make it red. We will be going to shape format and in the center we get the option of shape fill. We will click on the drop down and from here we will select red color. Just next to the shape fill, we get the option of shape outline. We'll click on the drop down and we'll do as no outline. For this also, we will remove the outline, means no outline. For this shape also, we will remove the outline. And we'll change the color as black. Perfect. We will adjust the shapes little bit more. Now we will press Shift and we'll select all the shapes, means all the 4 shapes. We'll right click the mouse. We'll go to Group and we'll group all the shapes. Now we will go to shape format and over here we get the option of arrange. We'll click on the drop down and we'll click on send backward. The background of 3 rows got changed. First one is white, second blue, third is red and the fourth is black. So what we are going to do with the last one, means last shape. Now we will click on the pictures, we'll right click the mouse and we'll select group. So all the pictures got converted in a group. We will select this group and the second group of shape. We will right click the mouse and we'll select group once again. Now all these things got converted in a single picture. Now we will delete our last shape. Perfect. So all the pictures and shapes got converted in a single picture. I'll make it bigger and will show you how it looks. So our passport size photographs got created. In case you want to take screenshot, you can. In case you want to convert this in PDF file, it can be done very easily. I'm using MacBook, so I'll be going on top in File, Save As. I'll give it a name, Passport Size Photographs. I'll come down and will click on the drop down and will select PDF. Best for printing and will export it. So our file got exported in PDF. I'll show you how it looks. So this is the PDF file of our passport size photographs. So in this way you can create your passport size photographs very easily and can print it as per your requirement. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.